Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back in another video. Welcome back to Rise Small. Today we'll be playing some more Murder Mystery 2. As you can see, if you guys go to my inventory, we have progressed quite a bit. And yeah, but other than that, if we go to shop, we have enough coins to buy a crate of my choice. But I don't know what I either want to unbox this one or where's it at? This one. So this one or this one. So at the end of this round, I will have to decide. But first, I need to collect coins. Oh, I'm not the murderer. Just please don't harm me. Okay, there's one here, which I need 2 coins. What the heck? Okay, well, who's the murderer? I don't know. Look out for them. Oh, okay. Okay, please. Okay, it's not me. Just want to clarify. Okay, it's not you either. I think it's you either. Well, okay, yeah, it's none of you guys. Okay, okay, I don't know if this guy, yeah, no, I don't think so. Okay, there's a low battery guy, I don't think so. So if I get this coins and I end up dying, oh my gosh, that was so close to coming at me. Oh, yeah. While they're risking their lives, I'll just be getting coins, you know. La 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 la. Don't you dare. You just come on, go. Okay, I think Sheriff's down already. Let's check. I'm a check. So close to max coins. Oh, you piece of crap. Oh my gosh, run. Buck. You know, max coins. No biggie! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe I survived that twice in a row. Holy crap. 2 times in a row. 2 times in a row. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Okay, anyway. So we have max coins right there, as you can see. Okay. So, let's put this away for now. Let's go to shop. We have 1,053. So let's go to weapons. And let's just take a look at the knives. So we already own this. And these are some cool knives. All these look pretty cool. We go over to this one. Meh. They're okay. But what's cool about this one is we get an overseer, spectrum, crypto, and let's go. Okay, unboxing. And there's some more chance that we might get godly. Probably not gonna happen, but please, yes! Oh, we got borders, guys. It looks so cool. Holy crap! Wait, let's take a look at that. Where's it at? Borders. So it kind of looks like the default knife, but like animated. That looks so cool. Hold on. Let's take a closer look. Looks kind of like paper. Oh, it looks kind of cool. I like it. It looks so cool. I like it a lot. So it says I just unboxed borders, which it just came out of, I think, number 2, right? Yeah, borders, and I own these. Oof, that looks cool. I like that. Okay. But I'm trying to get crypto. That looks cool. Kryptonian. I'm innocent. 14% chance. Juked. Okay. Vault is being opened. Not the Fortnite vault. Oh my gosh. That was very brutal. Just I think it's got the okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think we're good. Skirt 360. Okay. Yep. Okay. I am definitely gonna start worrying now. Okay. Who is the murderer? 360. Okay. So, murderer. Hey! Wow, this guy be tweaking. Okay. Wait. That's the murderer? No, that guy committed murder because he was following me, so I think we're good. This guy, we don't have beef, right? Or is it him? Is it him? Whee! It's him! Oh my god. How did I just juke? I was about to say, how did I just juke that guy out? Yeah, whatever. How much coins do I have? 90 coins. But so I am getting Robux today, and I will be buying, so I go here, we will be buying, yes sir, we'll be buying this, that, I only have 1 Robux, so, and then we will be unboxing some of these, which I think is pretty cool, if you know what I mean. I have this, but I gave it to my sister. Meh, it's alright. Yeah. I already own space in the room. Let's see, yeah. I own everything out of at least 1 box. So, except this one. I used to have Leaf and Biogun, but I gave this away to my brother. Okay, so I just own this box. And I own Borders and 8-bit from that box. But I don't think I own anything else from anything else. Oh, I used to have Splash. I give it away. I'm giving all my good knives away. But I traded my Splash for Space, which I think it's pretty good because I love Space, you know. And then my sister, she didn't really want this knife, so she gave it to me. And then I gave her my orange and my love knife, so I gave her those 2 knives. And then I unboxed the ice. I got Xbox from one of my friends, and I got these 2 yesterday. I got this one today. This one yesterday, and then I got this like a week ago. About a week ago. I got this a while ago. But let's talk about Space. And let's put on Kane. Oh, it's from 2018. Even though Christmas is old, we'll give this gun a shot. Why not? Let's see. If we go to inventory, let's see, what do we have in effects? Radioactive. Unable. Power is ninja footsteps. I like ninja. Ninja's fun. I am never going to buy a radio ever in my life. Because what I usually can do, I can just go into my tab. Let's see, I go to that. And then I just go to this, and then I go to YouTube. And then bam, bada bang, bada boom. I put a song on. And then I go back into Roblox. Roblox. Which is what we're doing right here. So, we might be able to do 1 more round. Depends on how much time we have. Wait. I thought that person had crypto. And we're innocent, calling it. Yeah, innocent. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna, yeah.